These baby goats are not even a day old. Not even a day old. They were literally born at 12 a.m. last night. Oh my god. Okay. It's 11:55 p.m. and I just got a text. Monkey is going into labor. I don't know how to deliver babies, but in case they need me, I need to be there. Is it like rude to bring a tripod to a birth thing? If my phone runs out of storage in the middle of this, I mean, I hope that the birthing goes well. Okay. Previously on Hannah's hiatus. I'm officially a nomad again, like really this time. How can these all be to be announced? Can you show me where the ones that are already announced are? Anything. I'll take anything. Well, I'm gonna do a work exchange in the mountains / forest mount. Is that the same thing? Hanna the Mountaineer. Kind of like the ring of that. She has agreed to let me live on her property so long as I care for these goats. And knowing me, I have a special way with goats. Welcome to the world. Since my job today is to literally watch the goats, I get to hang out in their little farmhouse, which is surprisingly warm and really cute, and I have a perfect view of what's going on out there. It's nice that I don't have to do a lot of hard work today. I'm gonna get to hang out here and edit and play with baby goats. Probably don't need to have 2 sweatshirts on. And I'm wearing 2 pairs of pants. Ow. I just can't win. That's a cool shot. Ow, my knee! I hate listening to this because I talk so much. I'm like, dude, shut up. They're gonna like have this as a keepsake forever. And it's just gonna be like that one girl that lived with them for a month and a half in the background talking nonstop. There you go. Such a good mom. Here. Oh, yo, my knee. Remember how I was telling you last night that my knee is all messed up? Ah. Why does it feel weird? I thought it was gonna be like better in the morning, but it's just not. Oh my god. Is this how you stretch out your knee? Oh my god. I don't know if this is a thing. How do you stretch out your knee, yo? How the hell do you stretch out your knee? Oof. Okay, I don't know what I'm doing now. I was trying to bend down and get all the angles of these babies coming out of mama goat. My knee all of a sudden was just like, ah. Yo. No. Is my knee out of place right now? Wait. I would know if my knee was out of place, right? Hold on. I'm so scared. Does that look weird to you? Oh my god. Is my knee out of place right now? Okay. Oh my god, I'm not good with medical stuff. I don't know. I'm scared. Are my knees okay? Okay, Hannah, you're fine. Whew. Okay, it's all in my head. I was about to pass out. What would I do? Like, what would I do in that situation if my knee was literally out of place? Hey, so I know you're in the middle of cleaning up a placenta. I don't know. I just witnessed a goat birth and I just don't know how to feel. It's crazy. It was like gooey, adorable. I'm so cold. No. No. Whoa. There you go. Hi, cute little goaties. You're such cute little goaties. You're such a cute little goatie. Oh, yeah. Hey. It wouldn't be a proper Hannah's hiatus video if I didn't lay down at least like once. What day is it? What year is it? Why do we always do that in these videos? I filmed this and I can't even watch it. I have no storage left on my phone whatsoever. I keep having to delete videos, and I don't have any more videos to delete because they're all things that I've filmed because I've been filming so much and not editing quite as much. So that's what I need to do now. I gotta go. I really gotta go. I'll keep you updated on the baby goats and mama goat and the other goats, all the goats, and of course on myself. I gotta go. So I'll see you next time on Hannah's hiatus. Spring has sprung! I'm coming! So cool. We've been doing a lot of things that personally I've never experienced. Looking for Jumanji.
Yeah, I know.
26 chickens came in the mail.
Bring it back.
I love everything you're saying. It's great. This is your sign that you were looking for, where you were like, I don't know what I want to do, but you do know. It's like your gut.
Right.
Spring should be the gut season.
Liver. It's the liver. It's like detoxing.
Yeah, well. Who's this Taoist guy? We need to have a conversation.
Who is Mr. Taoist?
Who is this Taoist guy? I'm gonna send him a letter in the mail. All the Taoists in the world are just like, did you hear? We're changing it from liver to gut. Some chick named Hanna. She's got a YouTube channel, 306 subscribers. You better listen to her.